Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the new Great Bead Extravaganza Softlex Company kit, and this is called the Tree of Life. I love the ribbon on it, so I think I'm going to use that in one of my designs. I just love all the little details that Softlex puts into their packaging. It's jam-packed with goodies in the kit, but then just those little extra details really make it special. These would be really nice to put a pendant on. And then you could either do like a leather cord ending on it to make it a necklace or maybe even like a wrap bracelet. It's super lightweight, but this is just beautiful. So I think I'm going to use it for a design. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what the Tree of Life kit has. So this is our kit. As you can see, it is jam-packed with goodies. I see at least one Softlex in there, a couple gauges of wire, and loaded with a lot of chickling seeds. We always get a little informational card of everything that is included. So a lot of check glass, and the first thing that I saw when I opened it was these beautiful Tree of Life beads, and these are from Tiara Cast. So this makes it a very, very special kit. So definitely want to do something special with these ones. So let's see what's inside. I can see why their kits always sell them. So beautiful. Oh, I love the greens. How pretty. Those are really neat. And the texture on those, these are very light, almost, I don't really know the color, but they're just so pretty. They're just that very, like a seafoam, but like a pastel green at the same time. They're just so pretty. And then the little check glass. So we'll start with our wires. So we have Softlex wire in fluorite. Such a beautiful color. It's just going to match perfectly. Just going to match perfectly with those beads. And then we have some craft wire in an 18 gauge in gold and in gold a 26 gauge. So that would be really good to wire wrap with. They're just so pretty. Can't get over how beautiful the cheek glass is. So we have our Softlex. And then for our cheek glass, see here. Check glass light green tube beads. So that's these ones here. Light green, check glass brown beads, which I think are in our little package here of findings. There's a lot of items that are exclusive only to this kit. So usually on the last Wednesday of the month or when they do their special kits for like the Great Bead Extravaganza, they'll list what will be available on that launch date. And then you have all the exclusive items. So this kit is really, really special. Just here we have two of these will be perfect for earrings, and they are check glass in tanzanite Picasso fire polished drop beads. How pretty are those? They have like a little texture to them. And then there's some kit exclusives. We have dark blue seed beads, and these look like they're about a 6 millimeter. And then we have 5 of dark blue millefiori coin beads. So those would be really pretty. I know spring is here, but I think maybe that'd be fun for like a summer anklet. And then we have our gold 2x2s. And then we have our specialty beads. And there is some tiara cast as well as a Green Girl Studio pendant. And they give you a little tiny jump ring. How cute. That's beautiful. So let me sort out all our findings here. So we get 4 of our ear wires with the gold and a lobster claw. So we can make earrings and a bracelet or necklace. And then we have some check glass leaves. That would be really pretty. And then these are really special. They are the Tiara Cast Antique Gold Plated Tree of Life beads, and they're double-sided. So I think those would make wonderful earrings. And then we have this bead here, a tree bead, and this is check glass. It's really cool because this is one of those laser etched beads or tattoo beads. And they have those, I think, for the Love Bug collection. But this is just beautiful. The tattoo beads are some of my favorites. They have really unique designs on them. And then we have this adorable pendant here. And this is a Green Girl Studio Gold Tree of Life pendant. So that's beautiful. And then it has a little message on the back. Beautiful. And then, of course, your little jump ring. This is just a beautiful kit. And then if you bought the extras that they had available from Jesse James Beads, this is just a super fun kit. I can't wait to see what everybody designs with it. It's going to be super fun. So stay tuned for my designs and upcoming tutorials using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.